Never know. Every new year we see Jah there beside we. Every new year we see a Jah a guide we. You know, black people used to disappointment, so we even watch last year happenings. Nah, dwell upon the past. You see me? The new year you me want.
Alright, man. You know what? These guys did a great job. You guys look excited. Are you guys excited? Yeah! Now you want dance, you're gonna get your chance, man. Don't worry about it. Everybody gonna get their chance.
Go check the judges.
Now we're gonna deal with the judges on these first two guys over here. Wells.
Go front.
What he said? Out of the two, speak up.
You don't need no.
Here, hold the mic and pass it down.
It just takes one word.
One word. I think Lazy hit more punchlines, but I think my son kept it smooth on the whole round. Like he kept moving, he kept it. He hit a punchline and he chilled for a little bit, then he hit the next punchline. He did more punchlines, but I think overall dancing, who kept the crowd entertained more, was my son right here.
Lazy.
Who you went?
You lazy?
You went with the thing on the right?
You're lying.
All right, that's good. That's good. Quiet, man. Quiet. That's why he a judge. Go ahead.
He was nice. I like my son. He was clean. Surface.
Surface?
No, I'm not saying surface because he's surface. He won, but I felt my son Lazy won.
All right. That's 1 and 1. Right now we split down the middle. Everybody else is what, man?
It's on you now.
That's why it's called judging. Don't take it personal. Your honest opinion.
Ridiculous.
All right, here we go. That's why you be quiet and let it just happen. You feel me? All right, you hear me now? You don't get involved.
Hey,
When you
Lazy.
get involved, that's when it look crazy.
Lazy.
All right, Lazy.
Go ahead, man. Yo, by the way, man, that was good on your end too. So you got one, folk. 1 out of 3 ain't bad. Work hard.
Go ahead. Give it. Yeah, everybody.
Wait, how you feel about it?
I give love. I feel we should go another round, to be honest. I got a whole lot more stuff.
We got a long night, though.
We got a long night, so
Next month.
We'll see each other. It don't matter. He got first round. We got another round coming up.
The Puerto Rican guy. What's going on, man? How you feel? How you feeling?
I feel good. He took the chain out. I wasn't even expecting to dance, but I gotta step up when it's the time. So.
Were you a little nervous?
Yeah, a little bit, but then I got comfortable. So.
Alright, man, there's more. It's like you said, it's a long night, so I think he's gonna be looking out for you. You better be careful, all right? Good job, brother. The next two. Oh. Yo, by the way, man, you know how I remembered your name? Because when you were down there, you looked like a damn puzzle. Is that how you got it? Long story, all right. All right, man. Once again, this is Jigsaw and my man Snapz. All right? Jigsaw, you can go first.
A minute, everybody.
You got a minute. I got the watch here, so it's an exact a minute, all right?
Come on, y'all.
Let's go.
Take us there, baby. Let's go. Oh, that's hard. That's hard. He was lucky for that. That's why we respected it out. Jigsaw stepped it up. Great.
30 seconds.
This track is hard. Crazy.
Bring it back, Moonface, bring it back.
Bring it back.
Snapz.
It's the under.
Snapz.
And he's sleeping on Snapz.
Snapz, get big. Hey. Get big, Snapz.
Oh.
Come on, Snapz.
Everybody
gotta get into this now. We got a lot more people in here. What y'all guys think about what you just saw?
Yeah, my son wild though.
He did what?
He wild though. He definitely wild.
Who are you talking about?
My son Snapz. My son Snapz. My son wild.
Let's get some audience opinion before we go to the judges. What you thought?
Crackling pop. He said no comment.
No comment. He's in the investigation right now. He's like, I can't talk about camera. That's what's up. What you thinking, big man? You thinking Jigsaw?
Oh, it's crazy.
What about you? You standing up there stretching like you about to break a bone.
Jigsaw.
That's what you think?
That's his opinion.
That's his opinion.
All right, we're going to see what the judges think. We're going to go back to the wells again.
Okay. So we in the building on this next level shit.
Maestro.
Sometimes I'm up, sometimes I'm down. It's like jumping off a roof with no parachute straight to the ground. Sometimes I'm sometimes I'm up, sometimes I'm down. It's like jumping off a roof with